Diversity convinces. Austria Email is a driving force in all hot water heating fields. Our product range, which meets all customer wishes, encompasses 385 basic models with 1,700 variations. Diversity is our strength. You would like to have a hot water cylinder designed to your own specifications? We will supply you with a tailor-made product if you order 200 or more units. Custom-made, top performance in series, for demanding customers, with an extensive warranty as confirmation of Austria Email's quality. Austria Email, commitment you can feel.